Hey guys, today I'm gonna 3D print my little brother.
Okay, so Wyatt is going to attempt to 3D print Sawyer today. We have never tried to 3D print a human, but we're going to give it a go and see what comes out.
Okay.
All right, do you want to walk us through it?
Yes. So first, we got this print off of Meshy AI.
And you used a picture, right?
Yes. This was the picture.
That's a picture we used of Sawyer.
And then it came out like this.
And that is the AI-generated print of Sawyer.
Download.
That's you.
And then that, and then you see it's really big, and you see the red stuff.
Yep, he drops it into flash print.
And then you might want to make it maximum, but you can also shrink it down like this.
Make it smaller.
And then you can go to the supports. Make sure it's this one, and hit auto supports.
All right, so those are the supports it's going to add.
And then you hit back, start slicing, slice. I got the USB in, and then you hit this. It looks like a download button, press that. And if that says that, then you can hit save.
So he's downloading it to the flash drive.
And then you can hit the these. And then you see this, click it 2 times. And then click this. And then there you go. You can take it to the printer.
Here's Wyatt's messy workstation.
Yeah.
All right, he's gonna get it started.
So you press this, the second support. Push the USB, that's where it's gonna be on. And then you hit it, and then sometimes I hit this, and then it's copying the file. So it's already, so when you go to all your regular prints, it's right here. Then print.
How long is it gonna take?
1 hour, 11 minutes.
Okay, cool.
That's me.
I know, I wonder what it's gonna look like. There it goes, it's getting started. Slowly coming along. Nine minutes left. All right, is he done?
Yes.
There he is.
We just gotta
Little
take
Sawyer.
the supports off.
Let's see it with the supports on it.
Mama,
Oh my goodness.
talking about.
No, we're gonna take the supports off.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna take the supports off. And then we can see how he looks.
You got all the supports off?
Yeah.
Sawyer, what do you think?
It's you.
Does it look just like you? Yeah.
I'm gonna do a really big one of me.
Yeah.
Why?
All right, give us the close-up. Let me see. There he is. It's Sawyer. It's pretty detailed.
Yeah, it's really detailed.
I want me.
Bro, look at his ear. And his hair.
Wait, can I
And his
have me?
clothes.
Can I have me?
Amazing. From a photo to a 3D print.
Yeah.
Did you slide and jump?
No, not that much.